Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to the chart of account. This is income statement, correct? Statement is revenue account and expense account. What is the revenue account? Revenue account keep track of the money coming to the business. Like for example, I'm going to sell goods I'm selling to the customers. Then I'm going to getting money from the customers, or I'm investing the money to the any business. I'm getting like a profit from those business. That is also like a revenue for me. Or I have the buildings, I have the cold store, I have the self storage, I have the storeroom, I have the warehouse. If I'm going to give the rent, I'm getting from the rent from them. So there is also one kind of revenue for me. At the same time, if interest income, if I deposit the fixed deposit or something, I'm getting interest from the bank, the discount. If I'm going to purchase material from the suppliers, if they are given any discount for me, that is also profit for me. The income, that like revenue, we are getting many way. Okay, the revenue, we have to keep track of the money coming to the business. Revenue account is keep track of the money coming to the business. So you can see the example also how money is coming. I already explained. Okay, same time the expense, how we spend expense in most organizations, the expense account make up the largest list of individual accounts. The chart of accounts, they include all the accounts that track all money that a business spend to keep running. See, the main purpose why we have spent the money for the business, we have to run the business. We have to make revenue. The based on the revenue only, we are expense. See, we have to generate the revenue. We spend money for we expense money for the business. Understand? Based on the revenue only, we are spend money into the business. So if without getting revenue, we are not given any we are not spend any expense, correct? You can see electricity, salary, rent, telephone bill, the whatever the stationery, or whatever the expense for the business purpose, it's all the main purpose. We are going to what? Generate the revenue. That is the expense. Whatever expense we spend, that's not a big deal. But ultimately our thinking is we are generate the revenue. Okay guys, I am going for the next video. Thank you guys.